Hello.
Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome and welcome back again to your channel, Ready Foods. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing, viewing, and for the returning subscribers. I salute you for returning back. This time round, stay in here. So as you know, this time round it's mango season, and guys, it's very important to make use of the mangoes at this time. So today, our today's recipe is on mangoes. We are going to use our mangoes. So remember, during mango season, we can use mangoes in so many ways. Apart from mango juice, we have different types of mango smoothies. We also use mangoes to make some flavor chicken stew, chicken recipe, beef recipe. So this is the time, guys, that you can make chicken recipe using mango and also some beef and all that. So today our video is on mango smoothie, and in this video I'm going to do 3 types of mango smoothies. You can make them in so many ways. There are so many ways of making smoothies. You just play around with the flavors here and there. So I'm just going to give you at least 3 ways of making smoothies. So one, I'm going to make some Lassi smoothie, my favorite smoothie that I love so much when I go for dinner or any restaurant. Just cook with me or prepare it with me. Second, I'll make some coconut mango smoothie. And the third one, I'm going to make banana mango smoothie, which is garnished with some strawberry. And apart from that, I will just make some simple so guys, we have 3 in 1. So guys, my first smoothie is the mango lassi smoothie, a smoothie which is very tasty and very expensive in restaurants, guys. And that is my favorite mango smoothie. So for this, the ingredients I'm going to use are here. I have, this is fresh milk, a cup of fresh milk. This is a cup of yogurt. I have sugar. I am going to use cardamom powder and 1 mango for this. So guys, kindly watch out for this smoothie. If at all you've never known how to make mango lassi, kindly try it out. Make sure you wash your mango well. Stay tuned. So I'll start by just peeling my mango, sorry. Blender. So first I'm going to add in my mangoes. Remember guys, this is my favorite mango smoothie called mango lassi. Very nice. So if at all you've experienced its taste, guys, just comment down there and tell me what you think about it. So guys, that is first. Secondly, I will add 1 cup of yogurt, 2 a cup of fresh milk, 3 2 tablespoons of sugar. But sugar is optional, but sugar makes it Then lastly, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. I am going to blend everything. So guys, my mango lassi is done, and so oh. So guys, this is the mango lassi smoothie. Very, very nice, very, very tasty. So what makes it even more unique is this cardamom gives it a special taste. So guys, kindly just try it out. So nice. And also the sugar. I know guys, mangoes have got sugar, but the added sugar gives it another unique taste. So thank you. Let's get to the next smoothie. So guys, my second smoothie is called mango coconut smoothie. As you can see here, I have one piece of mango, one big piece of mango. I have my coconut here, and then I have plain yogurt here. So guys, what makes smoothie taste well is need to use any dairy product. So as in this case, we are not using fresh milk because we have coconut milk. We are going to extract coconut milk from this coconut. And guys, this smoothie also tastes well. It tastes well because it has that aroma, that taste of coconut, yeah. And then for mangoes, guys, you know what mangoes does to our body. It nourishes our body so well. And also so milk. Milk is also good because it's rich in calcium and all that. So guys, this is a healthy smoothie. Kindly watch this second smoothie. Watch till the end. I will start just by washing my mango. You have to wash your mango well. Start by cutting my mangoes into pieces. Again, the size into pieces. Then with the removal, just cut them this way. This way, then twist it out. So now we can easily cut this. Continue with our mango. So guys, once I'm done with my mangoes, I was still preparing my coconut. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to blend the coconut first, then strain it out, and then continue. So guys, stay tuned. Start by adding in the coconut. I'll blend my coconut first, just so little water. So this is coconut mango smoothie. Come with me. So next, I'll start by adding my mangoes to the blender. Then my coconut milk. Then my yogurt. Wow, so I'm going to blend my mango. This is my coconut. try out this smoothie, mango coconut. So guys, this is coconut mango smoothie. Come on, look at it. So nice, guys. So nice. So if you have, let's move on to the next smoothie, which is called banana mango smoothie, which is going to be flavored with some uh, spices like turmeric and strawberry is here. So I have one large mango, I have two bananas, and I have my turmeric here. I have strawberry essence. I have fresh milk, a cup of fresh milk, and I have a cup of your plate. You start when you're washing your fruits. Let's make sure when you are making any smoothie or any juice, you wash your fruits very clean. I love this smoothie very much for the fact that it is very healthy. As you know, guys, mangoes are very high in antioxidants, and then it fibers, and also it has some vitamins. We have also milk, which is also rich in calcium and also vitamin C. And then we also have bananas, which is also rich in vitamin. And then we have turmeric, also, which is it's good in skin, and it also helps in anti-inflammatory. It's also anti-inflammatory. So, guys, for these reasons, why I love this smoothie, it's very healthy. So let's go. I will start with my mango. Guys, mangoes is a very nice food. It nourishes your body, so it's healthy. So kindly, for this season, make sure at least you make use of these mangoes. Not only smoothies, not only juice, but you can also make a very nice, tasty chicken using mango paste. So guys, if you go through my channel, you'll find some tasty chicken made from mango paste. Very nice. And also, apart from that, you can also make some desserts using this mango. You can use cakes. You can also do some cakes. You can also do some ice cream using mango. So guys, mangoes is a very important fruit. So stay tuned. Since I'm through with my mangoes, I will get into my bananas. I like this type of bananas because they are very sweet. Some of them sugar. So make sure you cut your bananas in pieces. Maybe I can add one more. Turmeric. Guys, remember I've told you that turmeric is very good, very important. It's a very good ingredient in a smoothie because of its anti-inflammatory. So I'm going to blend this. So, before that, I have a glass here. Now this is where we're going to use the vanilla essence. So for vanilla essence, I'm going just to use it here as just a brand. So it's what we are add it after, or you can blend with the juice or the smoothie. So stay tuned. So guys, you can keep the rest in the fridge to take later. So this the last smoothie is banana mango. This is banana mango, with flavored with some turmeric and garnished with strawberry essence. So kindly try this smoothie out during this mango season. So I'm just going to close my video, guys, by making just a simple mango juice. So stay tuned. Add some cubes, ice cubes, then blend. Many people make mistake. So when you're making juice at home, make sure you sieve. So this is my mango juice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, you share, and like. Thank you. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.